Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at home alone, pregnant with two picnic, full of responsibilities. My husband is going to Hanover Parish to play football match. Yeah, it is going to be a away football game for American people, soccer game. Cause I know you call football something different. Yes, so I guess back in the days when I used to be a football player wife. Yes. Don't forget to take your bottle with water. I put it in the freezer, the one with the electrolyte water. Yeah, I made the RL powerful cocktail so he can score whole heap of goals. Watch out. It's not easy to let go daddy. Danny? Bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Love you.
Bye.
Daddy, make sure you go to the back and see.
You know, take my water from the freezer. Do you have no nothing? Oh, I'm see it. Alright, so you're gonna come back late in the night. Yeah? What time y'all come back? Alright, safe travel. Easy road. Many goals. Bye bye.
Go back and buy a little candy one.
Alright, look at this. Okay.
Alright. Bye bye. It's supposed to be nice to be a football player. Man, I vlog him journey. Make sure you show me some Hanover. Bye. Bye. Alright, Errol gone. I'm back. I am making soup today for lunch. Yes, nothing fancy, something really quick. It's not that easy. I have two boys. I have two girls. I put something on the camera. I hope it did not affect my recording here. Yeah, I have two little boys. I'ma tell you something. It's not that easy. Yeah, so I just today what I did. Today I put all the toys in the living room because I don't want them in another rooms. Because when last time I left them on their own all over the house, came to the bathroom and saw that our bathroom fully soaked with water. You know what they tried to do? They tried to fill balloons with water. So them nearly mash up the bathroom furniture. Yeah, it has bubbles right now. I was cooking, I couldn't control them. So today it's living room only. It's living room only. Because, me want to see them. What them I do, me need to see them. Yes, because when they go to some rooms and they really silent, trouble. I don't want no troubles. I want today to be a very easy day, easy peasy, and that's all I want. That's all I'm asking for, please.
10, 18, 21, 22, 23, 35, 4, 36.
So right now we are doing mathematics with little one, and look at what people want we to do. People want we to draw objects in the spaces to match the numerals, and look what we are doing. That's a lot of work. I'm going to tell you, I'm stressed out because Danny account, then me have account after him. Yo, you know, as a parent, you have to take it as it. Danny, let's do it. This can't be real, you know. This can't be real. Tell you guys. Look at so. This can't be real. Alright, dancing break. Yeah, dance break. Alright. Warm up for the next one. Leo probably bored, but I cannot help Leo. Leo, why didn't turn on the fan? It's hot. Alright, we haven't done the homework, so I had to stop because right now I gotta cook. We don't have lunch, neither we have dinner. So me I have to cook something for we for now, and honestly I do not know. I don't have any idea how single parents they do it. Right now my blood pressure up, I'm stressed out because my kid's hungry. It's 11:30. I don't have no food on the stove, nothing is ready. Only one option I can give them, frozen beef patty. I have some in my freezer for emergency cases. I guess this is an emergency case. And I'm just gonna throw them in the air fryer and give them frozen patty. Yeah, no, they're not gonna be frozen. I mean, you know what I mean. Yeah, patty, beef patty for lunch, but I don't really feel good about it. Leo came to say hello. Juice party.
Mama,
Not really proud of this lunch,
Mama, can you
but
cut it?
no, not a choice.
Mama, can you cut it?
Okay, I can cut it for you, sure. So right now I'm cooking my comfort food. Kids, they eat it too. And I'm cooking bloody soup. We call it bloody soup. But honestly, it's borscht. It's my comfort food. And I'm in the process, but still. Yeah, so I'm in the process. It's a beetroot cabbage soup. Beetroot, cabbage, potato in it, and beef. And beef. And beef, and beef, and beef. That's the idea of the soup. So I feel like I need some comfort food to comfort myself. I'm too stressed out. Look at my borscht. You know, if the girl good. This is my comfort food. Borscht. I just finished it, but I can't eat it right now because it have to sit up on the stove. I wish I could eat it right now because I'm so hungry. I'm hungry bad. I'm gonna tell you 1 o'clock already. I'm gonna add no lunch. I'm gonna go and clean my kitchen because kitchen well messy. Kitchen is so messy. I'm gonna have to start cook chicken also as well. Start season my chicken because we're not gonna fool only with soup. Yes, I gotta cook something solid. And I'm going to cook some solid. Yeah, and today me I will cook our chicken again. Yeah, curry chicken easy for cook and not a lot of time. I'm gonna cook rice. Yes, so if somebody not go full after soup, my bloody soup, you can go for your chicken. But leave mommy alone. Mommy done. Mommy finished. Leah, it's good? Taste it?
I don't want red soup. Only want orange soup. Orange soup is good for you.
When you went to grandma used to cook it for you. When you went to Russia, grandma used to cook it.
I only want the orange one.
Alright. Oh guys, how to record with this little boy? Look boy.
Mom, can you record?
Give me 5 minutes, I'm gonna record you.
Record me.
So normally people eat this soup with garlic, but Leo does not really like it, and Errol as well. So we just eat it like that, and I just shred garlic in my soup. But yeah, the garlic is important ingredient in this soup. Yeah. Alright, bon appetit. Danny asked to record him. Alright, I'm recording. Okay. Good balance. Alright, go on. Then he said he does not want my soup. He's gonna eat cup soup. With what? With chopsticks. And then he knows about chopsticks.
I know about that.
It's a good.
I know about that. I want
You know
some
about
water.
chopsticks? Yes. I'm kinda done. So right now, I'm not done, but I'm kinda done. So right now I'm going on a fruit break. I'm can't bother. So right now, I'm gonna drink jelly, and it's not open. I'm gonna try to open it. I don't know how to open jelly. Yeah, that's why I have my husband. That's why we have sellers on the road. We ask to open them things. They do it like swoop really fast. Cause I'm not really familiar with that stuff. But I'm gonna try my best. Mess. Wait, no. Came out, you know. See that? Yo, me deal it like professional. Me deal it like, guys, I handled it like a pro. Look on the whole, how it's nice and pretty. Ready for the straw. I could drink my coconut, my jelly. It tastes so good. Like I would give it 8 out of 10. It's not sweet, but it does not remind me of medicine. Cause some coconuts, them taste like a pure medicine you drink. I mean, like them, so I like it a little bit sweet. No, me like it sweet, but this is a little bit sweet. It's so good. Leo, want some coconut? Leo, I'm going to finish it then. I'm gonna finish the coconut. You want some coconut? No. You're not Leo, you're Daniel. I was talking to Leo. I know you don't drink. I know you don't drink coconut.
Mama, I want no coconut. When I'm 8 years old, I want to drink some coconut.
I know you want to drink just juice. I know that you only want juice and sweets. But don't it. Late. But done. One thing, I'm more than sure I'm not gonna be able to open it. I'm jelly. But as from this view, I can see that it's not a lot. But it's a nice amount of jelly. I would love to open it. Feel like I gotta do it. What a woman can do, what a woman cannot do, can handle it. Yeah, man. Opener, yes. Okay, so what we can see there, I was right. Not a lot of jelly, but we still can scrub something out of it. It's still nice. Swaggy, you can do it. See? She believed and she did it. Yeah. Not really impressive. But it's very good for your body. Good for your body. Not a lot. Not so sweet, but it can go on. You know, in Jamaica, people say it can go on, and then when they don't really want to tell you, like, it's not there, It's like more soft, sane. Sorry, Earl. You forget another one for yourself. Round number 2. May I get some pineapple? Jamaica has the best pineapples. I can officially say it because I've been living in Asia for a long, and I've never had that taste in Asia. Caribbean, probably not Jamaica, Caribbean. Let's say Caribbean pineapples. Them good.
How do you try it?
I'm in a process. I'm in a big process. Leo. Why? See there, guys? Food on the stove. Rice in a rice cooker. Me, well, mush up. Honestly, me really tired. It's 4 o'clock. Yeah, man, it's about 4 o'clock. I feel really mush up. I feel mush up. I don't want to do nothing else. And honestly, I have no intention to do homework. To continue our kids' homework. Next, I want to go to my shower. I want to grab kids and go on the slide. Take them on the slide. Because when they're on the slide, they do not remember me. They don't remember me when they're on the slide. They have friends. So I just sit down. Yes, I just sit down on the bench. I look at the Caribbean Sea. I try to relax my mind. Because, trust me, I feel it. I feel the pressure. You know, pressure there. Yeah, I feel overwhelmed. Really. Like, I'm tired. Yeah, so this is the most real vlog. Come and show you how it is. Come and show you how it goes in a real life. Not pretty show. Yes, it's real life, real routine that I go through. And now I'm going to wash my floor because, you know, when you cook, floor messy. So I'm going to come and get it. This is the reason I ended up in the labor early when I was about to give birth to my second child. See that? Me again at it. Because when we did live in Vietnam, me and my husband, we did not really have a lot of help. And I ended up without nanny. Nanny did quit on me when I was in my last months. So pregnancy, when I was in my 3rd trimester, when I was about to give birth. So I had to do everything. I'm just glad everything worked out. We are finally going on the slide on the playground. And it's 5:20. 5:20. I've done everything by 5:20. Can you imagine, guys? I couldn't last if me had to cook every day, because they're just too much. So I hope food that I cook today I gonna last tomorrow. Finally reach, because it's an uphill road. It's not so easy to go up. especially for me right now. Yes, Daniel, yes. All day, mama, 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 mama. All day long, mama. It's not that easy as you think. Right now, see me there, see me there, see me there, and see me there, see me there. Yeah. This is my final destination. Destination is very final. I'm just sitting. Whew. I'm just taking suntan. Cause people say, Swaggy, you still pale, wagon. Guys, I'm not getting any darker. That's my max. That's my max. That's how I was born. Yeah. The only minus, I need sunscreen on the regular because my skin is not that, strong to the sun. But I have a lot of hair, so hair saved me. Yeah. Leo, be careful. Be careful. Leo.
Yeah, I'm coming. I found some rock. I found some little rocks.
Alright, go play, Leo.
Leo
Leo is very supportive. Leo is well mature. Leo understands when I'm sad, when I'm busy, when I'm overwhelmed. It's like Leo can pick with ease. Leo can pick with ease the vibration. Yeah, your energy. He's 7 years old. Daniel not yet. Danny's still, Danny's still kinda in a baby stage. Just do what him feel like without little observation. But Leo, right now, he observes me, my mood, especially when I'm alone. When with Errol, it's kind of different, Leo, but Leo changes when me and Leo alone. He starts observe my mood. He watches me and assumes when he can come to me and ask for something. And when I'm so busy, yeah, he always he does little maths in his little brain. Yeah, he kind of tries to read my mood.
You remember?
Yeah.
That boy destroyed that one.
That's the thing about Leo.
Destroyed that one.
Danny really care. Danny does not really care. Danny just Danny just runs in, That's Daniel. But Leo, he respects the privacy. Look how the sky is beautiful. Yes, slowly but surely, night is coming. And I feel like mosquitoes are going down. So we're gonna hurry up. You better hurry up. You better hurry up and go home. Cause I'm more than sure next 10 minutes, my estimation, mosquitoes are gonna come down and hunt me and the kids. Cause I know I took shower, so I'm not sure. Some local girl said to me when we were living in a Portmore, she said when you bathe, mosquitoes they don't come for you. I don't know how it is true, but me bathe, so me know maybe mosquitoes not gonna come for me. But kids them no bathe. I have to pack them and we have to go home. Yes, maybe it's about 7 o'clock right now. No, I think so. Maybe 6:30. 6:30. Yeah, through summertime, it does not get dark. It does not really get dark so fast. Yes, but in winter it gets dark fast, really quick. But right now it's about 7 o'clock, and we are going home. I gotta call Errol. He probably finished play his game. I'm curious. What's good? I need to ask him what's good. Did he score? Did they win? Did they lose? Of course I want them to win, cause you know, you don't know how much work we did put in today if let Lego Herald play little football match. A whole heap of work in it today. Yeah, so of course I want the result too. So I want them to win. I want Errol to score goals. So that way me I go feel like my day never wasted. But in football you can't really see so, because sometimes people can have bad luck. Yes, not lucky day. Yes, and it's a team sport. So sport. Sport. Yeah man, football is a team sport. So you know, I know Errol is great football player. Errol can do a lot of things. Errol is magnificent football player, soccer player for American people. Yeah, but he alone, he cannot carry all the team. Yeah, because football is not about one man. Football is about teams. So I am just hoping, praying everything went smooth for Errol team. Yeah. You know, one more thing. It smells so terrible because the smoke is blowing from the community. Yeah, but we located pretty good, so we don't really have a lot of smoke. But here on the playground, as you can see, from community up there, whole heap of smoke comes from them, and this is pretty great, minus. But like I told you before, we have a good location, thanks God. So we are not really affected, but people who probably live in that area, they kind of feel uncomfortable because the smoke right now, the smoke beat my nose bad. The smoke is in my nose strongly and I want to escape it, so I'm going down and I'm going home in my house. He's back.
He's tired.
He's back. Why did it to be today this
next I turn it off and
Yes,
I put it and it worked.
Let's just
Daddy look, see, I do that.
I had my hands full here.
Can you imagine? Oh, sure. Only yeah, and I'm not hard.
So I go on, you win.
Win 1-0.
Alright, at least something come out of it. See?
Win.
Good.
Sun hot, man. Treat it, man.
Can you imagine?
Win. Yeah,
Nice.
Great start the season good. So.
Alright. Okay. I don't know how people who live like alone do it. Like parents, single parents. I don't know. But, alright guys. Good night.
It's like a rock and roll.